Hello, my friends. This story is called Bear Snores On. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. What does snoring sound like, friends? I wonder why the bear keeps snoring during the winter. Do you know what bears do during the winter time? That's right, they hibernate. They sleep all winter. Do you think he's going to wake up? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. What's a hare? Can you tell by the picture what a hare is? That's right, a hare is a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Oh, see, tea. Those words rhyme. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. Burp. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" Oh my goodness, a badger too? "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Oh, wow. There's a gopher and a mole and a wren, that's a little bird, and a raven flutter in through the door. Wow, so many animals. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. He keeps on snoring. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. A lair is his house, and he's sleeping through this big party inside his house. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Everybody freezes? That means they stand really still. Whoa, what do you think's gonna happen? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls. And he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh no, it doesn't look like Bear likes having a party at his house. Oh my goodness, look, everybody's running away. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. It says the bear blubbers. What do you think blubbers means? If somebody is blubbering or it says that they blubbered, it means that they are crying and they're sad. Oh, the bear's blubbering. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Oh, they made him feel better. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Oh, look, the friends got tired and fell asleep from all their partying. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it, friends. Bye bye.